Well, it is safe to say winter is definitely here, and I still haven't prepped Enzo, the Volkswagen Polo, for it. He needs a wash because, as you can see, he's covered in dirt, and he also has a warning light on the dash for the rear right tyre, as you can see here. If I jump in and I just quickly turn him on, it'll come up. Where is it? Maybe. There you go. Loss of pressure, rear right tyre. Check all tyres to save new tyre pressures, and this has been plaguing me since I bought the car. So today we're just going to pump it up, see how it goes. It usually lasts about a month, and then we're going to take it to a tyre shop to see if they can sort it out for me permanently and fix this problem once and for all. I've already made one modification to the car, which is this, the seat cover. It just goes over it so it doesn't muck up my seats. But as you can see, the car is really dirty, and because obviously the times have changed now and we haven't got as much good weather, and it's harder to find time to clean it when it's raining, and obviously you're not going to get anywhere, and eventually it's going to become unmanageable. So today I'm going to basically clean up the whole car, get it back to looking perfectly brand new again, just so I can maintain it when I get the chance in the small little windows where the weather's decent like today. So without further ado, let's go and wash it. Okay, so now that that's done and the exterior looks very clean, we now need to tackle the absolute mess that is this interior. I mean, it is in desperate need, in it, of a good clean up. The only thing that's not dirty is the steering wheel. I really don't know how that's happened, but even the back is yeah, a little bit worse for wear, so what we're going to do, we're going to get the hoover out, we're going to tackle that, we're going to bang all the mats up, we're going to clean it up, get the interior done, then we're going to do the tyre, and that will be it for the video. And then also I'm going to go fill it up with fuel, but that doesn't need to be done in the video. But yeah, okay, let's get into it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, yeah, so we're just going to get this interior nice and clean, do the tyre, and that will be it for the video. So let's do it. Okay, so to give ourselves some power to the pump, we're going to obviously connect this little cable to our cigarette lighter or 12-volt port on the car, and then obviously by removing the dust cap on the tyre, we give ourselves access to the nozzle on these Continental Continent Sport 5 tyres, and then all we have to do is just connect the nozzle from the pump to the nozzle on the tyre. There's a little like psst sound, but once you get past that, obviously you know then it is fully connected. As you can see, it just takes a bit of winding, and then once it's on, we have now just got to inflate this tyre to 32 psi, which is manufacturer spec for the Volkswagen Polo. So just by turning on our little box, it makes a very loud sound and starts vibrating a lot, but that's just normal. And then all we want to do is wait for that analog gauge to reach around 32 psi. So you've got to sort of read it and just sort of guess yourself. But basically, once that reaches 32 psi, that is all we need, and it means this tyre is back to perfect spec. And then essentially you just want to repeat for the other tyres once we've turned it off, and that is basically all we have to do from that situation there, apart from essentially undoing our tyre here, undoing the nozzle from the tyre, and then basically just put the dust cap back on. Make sure we do that, because obviously otherwise we have a problem. And then obviously go back to the screen in the car, get the infotainment system up, and obviously this car tells you which tyre is flat, which tyre is down. The one with the pause and the warning light, you see a little orange tyre show up there as I'm showing you. And then we just want to set all 4 tyres, and as you can see at this point, the warning light's gone, and that is a successful job, and that is job done. Okay, thank you all so much for watching today's video. In my conclusion, I'd say the pump is good. I mean, what do you expect from a 15 to 20 quid pump? I mean, it's pretty much what you'd expect, to be honest. I'd say I prefer the one at the petrol station. It's slightly better, it's quicker, and obviously it's got a digital gauge so you can get the exact PSI. But I mean, if you're just someone who wants to pop outside while you're doing something else and just quickly plug in the pump and, you know, pump your tyre up, then, or if you're in an emergency, then it's a perfect pump. I mean, yeah, I'd say it's just the one that I got from the dealer that they gave me when I bought the car. But all in all, yeah, it's fine for a 20-30 quid one. You wouldn't really expect more, and I'd say, yeah, go ahead and buy one. But yeah, next week's video is going to be the Christmas special on Saturday or Sunday, and it's going to involve a very big trend that's going around. I'm sure you will have seen them. I might leave some hints around on my Instagram and over here on YouTube. But yeah, it's going to be a big one that involves Enzo the Polo, and I'm going to start recording it this week. It's going to be the longest video that I've ever had to record, and you guys are going to love it. So thank you all so much for watching today's video. Hope you all did enjoy. If you did, remember to leave a like, subscribe. You know the rest. Everyone else has told you millions and millions of times, I am sure. And yeah, watch out for Saturday or Sunday. I will update you. And yeah, this video at Christmas is going to be big. It's the first time I've ever done a Christmas special, so obviously you know I'm going to go all out for it. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.